You want to do a little bit every day. When you do physical activity, your heart rate, you want your heart, boom, 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 to beat faster.
Yes.
Because you are training your heart to be strong. So every day when you go out, you can make your heart rate go up by walking faster or jogging or going up and down stairs. Yeah? That helps your heart become strong. Sleeping, diet, physical activity. Number 4 is stress. Does everybody know what stress is? No? Everyday stress. Oh, this person has a problem. Oh, I'm late to work. Oh, I have to do homework. So
Yes.
we have stress.
Yes, stressful.
And sometimes, oh, I don't feel good. It's too much tension. You feel tight. That's
Yes.
stress. We have to learn how to let it go. Learn to manage stress. Get rid of stress. Stress, if we do not control stress, it will make us sick. Okay? Stress has bad influence on the body and the mind if we don't learn how to let it go. Okay? So how can you get rid of stress? I show you one easy trick. In the morning, you sit down on your bed or your chair. You close your eyes and you breathe through the nose. In, out. Learning to breathe deep relaxes the body
Hít
and the
sâu,
mind.
thở sâu.
Yes. So you feel more calm. Peace. Yeah. So in the morning, you can take 5 minutes. Breathe deep and out. In and out. And just focus on your body. Feel the oxygen come in. And feel oxygen go out. Your attention is following breath in and out. Very simple. Anybody can do it. And you will feel when you finish 5 minutes breathing, you open your eyes and you feel calm. You feel happy. You feel more at peace.
Yes.
Sleep, diet, physical activity, and managing stress. 4 things. So you can learn more about all of these 4 things online. Miss Sisi can find some good things for you to read, some games to do, some different stress techniques. You know yoga? You've heard of yoga?
Yes, and
Yeah, stretching. So I do every morning. I do yoga.
Yeah. Wow.
wow.
Simple. It stretches all the muscles.
Yes.
And I breathe in, I breathe out. Again, when you do that, your mind feels calm. Your body feels relaxed. So now I'm ready for my day.
Yes.
Yes.
So simple techniques, simple things you can do will help you become more fit and healthy. So the longer you do every day, a little bit, invest in your health and fitness. So right now you are, how old are you?
I'm 24.
24.
I'm 24.
24. How old are you? What is your age? 18.
17.
17. 18.
I'm 24.
24.
17.
17.
Yes.
I don't want to ask Mrs. but she just had a birthday. So everybody knows how old, how
Yes.
young she is.
I'm the oldest here.
No, you're not. I am.
Sorry, sir. How are
I'm
you?
young. Yes. So you are very young. All of you are young. Miss Sisi, you're very young.
Thank you.
Yes. And she looks very beautiful and very young. So if you want to maintain youthfulness, you want to feel young your whole life, you take care of sleeping, diet, exercise, physical activity, and manage stress. 4 things. And everybody can do it.
Yeah.
You can do a little bit every day, and that helps you year after year after year. So in 5 years, you still are strong and healthy. 10 years, strong and healthy. 20, 30 years, strong and healthy. So you can do activities every day throughout your life. So when you become 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, you are still able to enjoy life
Yes.
because you have a healthy, fit body. Any questions?
Các bạn có câu hỏi gì cho chú không?
You can ask me anything. It could be about fitness, it could be about travel, it could be about life in Mexico, anything you want to know.
Culture in Mexico, everything
Yeah.
from Mexico.
So you can think, if you have a question, you can ask me.
Các bạn đây à? Đang có hỏi với chú xem nào.
Somebody. You can ask me a question about shopping.
Yes.
Which country has the best shopping?
Yeah.
You can ask me about sports. What sport will give me the strongest body?
Yes.
Supermarkets. What are supermarkets like in the United States? How many
Yes.
foods do they have? I'm going to ask Miss Sisi to ask me a question. So watch Miss Sisi so you can have an example. Okay, Miss Sisi, ask me a question about anything you want to know.
Okay, I have a question. Like, I see you as an energy person, happy every time, and you can share how can you measure your smile, your energy, your
Yeah.
happiness to everywhere.
Ah, good question. When I was young, when I was 16 years old, I was in high school. My brother came home